This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. We are not financial advisors. Invest at your own risk.
Hey there, income dreamers. It's time for an update of our beloved stocks, UPST and Roku. Let's dive straight into the latest happenings and my insights on where we might be headed from here. So let's look at the Upstart stock here. So if you see the previous chart, it's still the same chart. I didn't change anything. I mentioned last time that we need to go above, actually close above this $88. And yes, after releasing the results, it went above $88, and I believe it went all the way to $96, $97 on that day. Even yesterday, it went to, I think the second day of the day, it went to that $96, $97. And if you see the earnings, I was talking about, analysts were expecting negative 4 cents on the estimate of EPS, and I said maybe if they are 0 or even 1 cent, the stock will shoot up about that number, $88. But if you see here, they were they beat the estimate by 30 cents. Upstart released amazing results. If you look at their revenues, they have it 20% surprise on the revenues. I even listened to their um, conference call. They said that it's just starting and they are early part of the growth. I believe they will do amazing rest of the year. They said 2025 is going to be one of their best year. So based on that, if you see the stock where it's going, um, it'll go towards that 107 right now, even though there is this small this doji here. It's just a Friday doji. Market makers are trying to pin this down uh, for obvious reasons, but I believe from next week it'll start continuing going towards that 107. Then what will happen is after that, I'm going to change the chart, right? So most probably what I might have to do is the three, I'm going to change the three here to all the way here to 107. And then there will be one more retracement to the four to that level is 70s or 75s or whatever level we can think if it is three, right? So if I have to change that to three, let me play with it here. So it's most probably just continue. Hold on. Same thing. 4, 5. So most probably if the stock goes to this, if 3 is 88, let's say if 3 is 88 or 97 or 107, right? So that's where we were. It's 107 at 3, right? So zero point 0.4 or zero point 0.5 retracement is right here around previous resistance around that $88, $89. But then this will continue all the way to uh, 110, right? So this chart is going to evolve more and more. So most probably towards this $200. Right now, it's too early to tell how the chart is going to evolve. EWT is always about uh, following the chart. So as of now, we are thinking stock will continue. It'll go to reach highs, and like I said, it'll reach at least this $107. Then we need to see if can overshoot and go higher highs on uh, third wave, and then there will be a retrace. Until there is a retrace, the third wave can continue. And third wave is the best wave to be in EWT. So you will not get this wave again until we see completes this 5 waves, and then there's the ABC correction, and then there will be new 5 wave up. So this is the best way to be. This momentum will continue. So just do your due diligence and see what you guys can do about it. And then let me show you guys how much money we made last week on Upstart. So if you see here, last week when we did the original video, we said we are up by $15,000, right? Overall up $17,000. So now this week we are up by totally $44,000 and up by $46,000. We are not going to sell anything at all. But if you guys see here on February 14th on Friday, we added 100 more shares. Yes, we added 100 more shares because we believe in Upstart. Earlier, I believe we were holding almost 1,600, I believe. So now we added 100 more shares. We are adding a pyramid. We keep on adding it as continue to add money to the Upstart. So because we believe in the stock and we want to keep adding to the stock. That's all we have, guys, for today on Upstart, and we will come back with other updates in other videos. Thank you.